wrong? What's wrong with the baby? You're sleepy. Hello guys. Hello guys.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn onto
We're
Cabo Valley Road.
heading to Ethan's appointment. We're heading for Ethan evaluation. And Ethan is sleepy. We don't have sleep. Ethan just looking at the camera and then they're like
He looks away, doesn't he?
yeah.
Yeah, Mom. Oh, Mom.
Alright guys, see you later. So grabe ka traffic guys. So gisapot na si Master Gilakiwaklik sa patata. Ginitan ng bata. So nagkuhan si Mr. guys, nagpatobil muna siya. Dahil ano kami, mga 1 hour and 15 minutes yung drive papunta sa appointment namin kay Ethan. And then so nag-gasoline muna si Mr. Ay, sorry baby ko. Galihan ako kay init, ninitan siya, grabe kay init. Alright daddy, we're waiting for daddy, okay? Grabe naman tong sasakyan ni Mr. guys, ang gulo. So I have to fill up this one guys. Muna, see you later guys. We're here inside now guys. Natulog ang bata. Nag-fill up lang si
Pick up small
Mr.
objects with his.
Yeah.
Let sleep in his stroller.
We're done here guys, so we're heading home.
People make shitloads of money, baby, off insurance companies and shit.
This one here?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the therapists do. Yeah, I mean, a lot of that shit I already know.
Did they go to school for being a therapist or what?
Well, yeah, they do. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Psychologists. I mean, just like a damn need something. Just like a damn psychologist. I mean, just like a damn nut doctor.
Yeah.
Go in there and learn about
this
feelings and
place here,
people's
guys.
emotions and things, and how to respond to things and how not to respond to things. Just like that, a lot of shit that your mom and dad teach you. Crap.
Yeah.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
imagine 400 a week.
How much?
400 people a week recommended. How is this?
A month.
A month?
A month. Yeah.
Ah,
She's got a pretty good reputation. Just because she's the only one in the area that understands these kids,
not really.
or at least thinks she knows what she's doing. You don't have to know. You just think you got to know what you're doing right, and then people believe you. So
Yeah.
these things to help you and stuff like that as far as they go. And it's really a lot of it is just flat spending time with the kids and teach them just like a damn dog.
Yeah.
And you got to teach these kids. These kids don't know no better. They don't know how to chew. They don't know how to do this, or they don't know how to do that. Stuff you took for granted even when you were a baby, growing up. People's there.
Yeah, the city of Montgomery.
I don't know if this is like the best part of the city down this way or what. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess.
But up Perry Hill here.
So,
Anything to eat down here.
mag-drive-thru muna kami guys kasi tulog si Bebe.
Seems like there is back this way.
So, grabe,
I-85
gutom na
is gonna be the way
gutom.
to get out of here.
Yeah, super gutom na ang lola. Grabe ang init guys, nagkayo. Murag nagkayo ang kanang kuan, nagkayo ang sakyanan. So tapos na kami doon guys. So si Ethan is tulog siya. So hindi siya na-evaluate. Parang kami na lang yung tinatanong guys kung ano yung mga ganap ni Ethan. Tapos tinawagan na lang nila yung therapist ni Ethan. So tinawagan na lang nila, and then doon na lang sila base kasi tulog nga siya dahil hindi siya natulog kagabi, hindi na naman siya natutulog guys. And then so ngayon nahihirapan kaming gisingin siya. So ang nangyari is yan, tulog na tulog. So ang nangyari is kami na lang yung mga tinanong, tapos may maraming mga question doon. Tapos yeah, so i-email na lang nila after 2 days yung report, and then I think 1 week yung result. I think 1 week yung result na ipasa nila para ano namin si Ethan ba? Ano ba tawag dyan? Nasa waiting list na kasi siya sa guys, sa katong private therapist ba, na everyday siya andun, and then 7 hours a day, and then 5 days a week, so the whole week. So ganun. So yun yung pinunta namin doon para ma-evaluate siya, and then so ipasa daw nila maybe 1 week something like that, and then para ma-start na din namin si Ethan sa ano bang tawag doon, parang clinic yata yun, parang clinic ba din, mga therapist yung andun. So mga therapist yung andun na mag-handle ni Ethan. So ayun lang guys. So ngayon sobrang gutom kami, so si Mr. muna nandito kami sa McAllister's Deli. So nagpunta doon si Mr. dahil hindi kami pwedeng pumasok kasi tulog si Ethan. So mahirapan akong kumain doon guys. So bumili na lang si Mr. doon, tapos dalhin na lang dito, tapos kain na lang kami dito sa sasakyan, charot car. So ayun, so pauwi na kami. After uwi na kami guys, and then yeah, pakita ko yung restaurant guys. Ayan siya guys, McAllister. So ang order ni Mr. is club sandwich ba yun? Basta yun. So ipapakita ko mamaya guys. See you later. Hindi ko pala pinalang guys sa kanya baka magising ba, magiyak-iyak. Grabe talaga yung ni Ethan. Alam nyo, ang laki ng niya, car seat. Agui, hindi ko makuha dyan. Worried ako sa kanyang balikin. Magising. So ano pala guys, parang parang yeah, meron talaga si baby. Hindi ko masasabing meron guys. Mag-ano lang sila ng yung evaluate nila kay baby, tapos hindi naman, dahil hindi man pwede yung insurance ni baby. Yung insurance ni baby is, so kailangan siya ma-diagnose na meron siya talagang autism para sila yung magbayad ba. But sabi ni Mr., dahil private kasi yun ba, and then sabi ni Mr., yun ang insurance na daw magbayad lahat. So pero hindi pa kami sure guys. So it's good if that will happen ba, no? And then yeah, so napaka nila guys, napakabait ng doktor. And then yung yung isa, specialist therapist, yeah, I think therapist. And then binibigyan lang niya kami ng mga tips ba kung anong dapat gawin. Andito na si Mr. So, dinala ni Mr. yung sweet tea, guys, muna. Tapos, bumalik siya para kunin yung order niya, sandwich. Yung drinks muna yung dinala niya. So, alright. See you later, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ina-order namin. Na yung pagkain namin, guys.
What's your toothpick in your sandwich?
Sandwich. Broccoli cheddar. So, ayan yung aming lunch, guys. Let's eat.